Hey, can you guys see me? That's a big box if you ask me. This one is from Atmos. And kita akan unbox kasut ni. It's not a kasut, it's... Okay lah, you guys will know. Okay guys, so I changed the spot sebab I rasa dekat sini lighting lagi okay, so... Yeah. Kan okay tu lighting. Alright, okay, so... The shipping took only like 3 days, I think. Super quick and fast. So, let's unbox this. Korang kan suka tengok saya unbox. So, kita unbox lah kan? Alright. Alright. So, kita dah buka the box. So kita daripada Atmos. So thank you Atmos. Appreciate it. Combennya dia kecil je dalam tu. Nampak? Tada! Kat sini dia tulis Yeezy Slide made by Adidas. And this one it says that US 5, UK 5, Yeezy Slide and blah blah blah. Okay, atas ni dia ada tulis like. I tak tahulah sebab my camera dia flip, so I think dia akan nampak pelik. Alright, so kita akan buka kotak ni. Tada! Okay. Okay. Dia sama. Yeezy Slide in pure color. Oh. Okay, kita letak situ. Alright, so that's in the box. So this is the bottom of the shoe. Side. Yeezy Slide Pure in size 5 UK. Dia bukan macam the typical rubber lah. Dia lembut. Okay, and then inside dia ada cakap Yeezy. Yeah, and dia ada logo Adidas. Kau nampak tak? Logo dia macam pudar sikit. I think that's a bit of like meh. Ini logo dia perfect lah. This one aduh spoil lah. But it's okay. Ada stiker kat dalam tu. And this color. Di bawah. Belakang dia. This is Yeezy Slide. And itu je lah kot. Tak ada banyak benda pun pasal Yeezy Slide ni, cuma it's just the color is nice. This color is nice. So boleh buat kasut dalam rumah kalau nak. I'll show you guys the close up then. Okay guys, so lepas pakai and try and see it for myself from my point of view dari I sendiri, I suggest if you guys want to buy Yeezy Slide after this, please go one size up or maybe 2 size up. I don't know sebab this one is, I usually wear 4.5 UK and this one is Euro 38 juga. But this one, my kaki heel punya pun macam rasa macam terkeluar sikit kat belakang ni. And this is UK 5. So I rasa macam the size is getting, I think it's getting like small. And then if you guys have a wide feet, please lah ambil 1 size up or 2 size up sebab dia punya ni agak narrow tau. So bila you guys, kalau kaki korang kurus macam my kaki pun, rasa macam snug je, macam lekat. So I guess if you have a wide feet or kau rasa macam nak beli and then tak pasti nak beli size apa, jangan ambil size tempat-tempat kaki cun-cun. At least lah 1 size up. because this time it just feels smaller and a lot snug compared to the last one. Really cool. I think this will be a nice house slippers or slipper nak pergi mana-mana je lah kan. And really comfy, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Just a quick unboxing here and there. Stay tuned for more videos. Comment, like and subscribe to my channel and join a part of the family. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys a lot who stay tuned for my video. And thank you korang sebab selalu support my video. Stay tuned for more videos.